going back to what I was when I was a child. Tapos andito ka ngayon sa moment na to. It's a dream come true. So guys, welcome to the DBTK X Dragon Ball Z
Future Saga.
Lahat naman talaga matutuwa kasi ito yung childhood memory natin yung Dragon Ball Z. And now na nandito na siya with DBTK, sobrang nakaka-excite and nakakatuwa kasi nadala nila dito sa atin yung Dragon Ball Z.
DBTK sa Dragon Ball Z. Nagulat talaga ako kasi, alam mo yun, bihira mangyayari yun sa mga local brands
As a batang 90s na lumaki rin sa Dragon Ball, nanonood sa Channel 13, I'm so happy. So nung nakita ko yung collection, isa lang nasabi ko, ang ganda lahat ng pieces.
What? Collaboration of the year? Di natin alam. Baka may kasunod pa to.
I know deep in their hearts it's one of their childhood dreams to have this collection. No?
Parang ang tagal ko nang hinihiling to kasama ng DBTK Brothers na parang kailan kaya yun kasi feeling ko yun yung pinaka-ultimate anime collaboration para sa DBTK.
Thank you guys. Thank you for continuing to support the brand. Thank you for supporting this story. Sabi ko nga, storya natin lahat ito. And kung ano yung nakikita nyo dito, it's not just for us, it's also for you guys.
Yes sir, so yun. See you again soon, DBTK Map.
And on to the next.